Between all the fear and negativity going around these days, I want to emphasize the power of belief in this podcast. This is Dr. Shiva, and the topic of today's podcast is Believe in Yourself. Believe in yourself. You can achieve anything that you set your mind to. There are literally no limits out here, and the only limits are those that you impose upon yourself. Dream, believe, and take actions. Identify what you truly want and how much you truly want something in your life. Start to create life of your dreams. Start small, dream big, and don't ever give up. You have to go after what you want, or you will be confined to the life of limits. Majority of people are confined to a life of mediocrity because they don't bother making a determined effort in pursuit of what their heart wanted. They just live their whole life afraid of moving out of their comfort zone. But it isn't really the comfort zone as people like to call it. It is the average zone. It is the lazy zone, the mediocre zone, the timid zone. You have to know that you have something within you, and that is pure greatness. Your mind is the key that will unlock the door to your potential, your fearlessness, your courage, ambition, your drive, your determination, your hunger, grit, your perseverance, and your greatness. Do away with the mindset of mediocrity. At some point of time, you have to take this step up in the game and take your life to a new level. Then why not now? The time is now to go after what you truly wanted and change your mentality, and your life will start to change. Many a times we do not see the world as it is, but as we are. When you change for the better, then everything around you will change for the better. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. If you do not believe that you can achieve anything and that you set your mind to, you are not going to get it. So your belief will dictate how you live your life. If you don't believe that you can succeed at it, you are not going to take any action, and you will just continue doing the same mediocre things day after day, and finally nothing will be changing. You have to realize that you are capable of more than you know, and start developing yourself, starting to reprogram your mind, and just don't settle for the so-called normal work every day. Majority of people are not going to quit before they get their targets, and that is why only handful of people with this determination is that they succeed. You have to decide what type of life you want for yourself. So try starting giving your winning effort every day from right onwards, and you will see that the game will start to change for yourself. So win your day to win in the main game. Believe in yourself, because I truly believe in you, and you will be able to do it. This is your life, so you have to do what is right for you. Nobody else is walking in your shoes. If you want to live life on totally new level, you have to set your goals to that level. Have a vision, make the plans, take daily consistent action, because consistency is the key to this exam of yours. If you are truly serious about moving in your life and taking your life to a new direction, you need to take actions every single damn day. It doesn't bother me how negative things, how much fear is going around you. You have to achieve your daily targets and try to give your extra efforts every day. Concluding my today's podcast with a line that the success is not a sprint, it is a marathon. So always remember, whatever time you are getting, you are still in the race. You cannot complete everything in your last month. You have to work from now onwards to reach to your destination. So you are still in your marathon. The date will come maybe little later this year, but it is going to come. So you have to keep pushing and giving your extra efforts every day. I hope this podcast helped you, and if it helped you, do try to share it with the people that are in this race. And if you think it is something worth, then do comment and tell me, should I continue making it if it is helping you. This is Dr. Shivam thanking you all for your patient listening, and stay positive.